Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create this blank canvas inspired makeup look. I already done my eyebrows, so we start by applying some foundation in the half up of my face. I also use concealer to cover up any dark circle. To set the concealer and the rest of my face, I'm using compact powder from MAC. I'm using white cream color from Flash palette to prime my eyes, so the eyeshadow that we are going to use later will be pop. For a transition color, I apply a light pink eyeshadow in the entire lid. And this brush cleaner is very handy if you are going to use a lot of vibrant color. The second eyeshadow color that I use are this baby blue and apply that all over my lid. For the outer V, I'm using a dark blue eyeshadow and blend that using a fluffy brush. Now it's time to cut the crease. I'm using the same white cream color from Flash palette and apply that using a small lip brush so they can create a clean and sharp line. And then fill the cut crease using a purple highlighter from Sleek Solstice. Using a turquoise color, I blend the cut crease into my eyes, because the turquoise will help you blend the color and also achieve this gradient effect. Finish the eye look by applying some purple eyeshadow in the lower lash line. And then I line my eyes using black gel eyeliner from Sigma. In here I put some false lashes to complete the eye look. And honestly guys, I love this eye makeup so much. Now let's move on to the face. I'm using pink blush on from NYX and also use highlighter from Sleek. Look at that glow guys, so blinding, right? It's time for the fun part, the face painting. Using a white pencil eyeliner to draw the line where you are going to put the blue face paint as the blank canvas part. In here, I paint the half done of my face using a water activated face paint in the color turquoise. And yeah, just paint the half side of your face until the neck as a part of your blank canvas. Sorry for the amount of posing because I'm going to use that as my Instagram video thumbnail. After you finish applying the face paint, wait until it dry so when we are going to put the foundation drip, they don't mix to each other. I'm just using a small lip brush to create the foundation drip effect. After adding the foundation drip, don't forget to blend the line of foundation into your face using a beauty sponge. I also added a black eyeshadow and a black face paint in the part of my blank canvas to create a dimension. Don't forget to blend using your finger. In here, I'm using a dark blue face paint to bring back my jawline. And also adding more black eyeshadow in between the foundation drip to create more dimension. Finally, the blank canvas look is done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more future video. Thank you so much you guys for watching and see you on my next video. Bye!